as you can see here, this is the code for built websites, like a template. So step by step, we are going to start now. We are going to build our own from scratch, following this template. This one, so no, not this. So we from scratch. So let's come here and let me just see. Let's see what. Let me just close this. Let me close this and start from the beginning. I'll just close everything. And start from the beginning. So I told us to create a folder where all our work will be kept. So just come to File, Open Folder, the folder you are supposed to store everything. When you go to Open Folder, locate that folder. I saved my own on my desktop, so I'll come to Desktop and I saved it as Web Development. So I'll just do this and I'll select Folder. You will notice that this will happen. So let me close this. All the folder is open now, and everything I've worked on is inside the folder. It brings out everything like this. File, Open Folder, select the folder you want to open and let it come out like that. So like we've done in earlier videos, we'll just start with File. Come to File. You save before you start doing anything. Make sure that you save everything before you start doing it. So I'll come to New File, and I'll come to File again, and I'll come to Save. And since I already have from my folder here, you see that I already have index.html. So I'll call this one index2.html, and I'll come down here and I'll select HTML and I'll save. You notice this happens. So everything here is blank. Everything here is what is blank. Everything here is blank. So what we're going to do is that we'll start with our boilerplate code, piece of code that must be in every HTML document. So I'll start like this. I'll type this. You can see it. Let me enlarge or make it bigger. I think it's big enough. Everyone can see it now. We start with this. Is it less than or greater than? Okay, this will be less than sign. Then H, T, you see this. Then you press enter. Voila. It brings out this automatically for you. So you come to File, make sure you save. As you go, you saved it already. Everything has been explained to us. So if you want to check this in your browser directly from here, come here. What you do is you right click. It will bring out this dialog for a copy, cut, paste. Instead, what you do is open in browser. Automatically it will open for you in your browser, but I don't want to use Edge, so I'll just copy this URL. I'll copy it and I'll come to Chrome here, and I'm going to paste it here in Chrome. So I'll be working from Chrome. I don't want to work there, so that's just it. Everything is now here in Chrome. Let me put this close to each other. So yes, the Facebook page is already up. The Facebook page, yes. So this is, if you look at this, this is February 31st 2006. So I can come to this slider to view it for different years. Let's look at it. We're at this is year 1999. Let's look at it's loading now. So you just go through this and it's loading how Facebook used to look in year 1999. Let's leave that to load. We'll come back and check it. Let's go back to Sublime Text. So you notice this. So let's do something here. Look at this, and I'm going to type something in this title page. In between this place, I'm going to type home. And I told you you must save. So I'll come back to my Chrome browser here, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to refresh. You will notice something will happen. This is index2.html, When I click refresh, you see the name change to home. That's why I said you should be practical as possible. Now that's what this title is meant for. Anything you click here will be reflected here. So I can come here and I'll give it this page another title. Let's come to Sublime. If I give this a title of about, sorry, that's not about, and I come here and I save it, you notice if I come here, nothing changes yet until I refresh it. You see it's changed to about. So let's just go back and leave it as home, because this will be our home page. Let's leave it as home page. So if you notice, if you don't save, if you haven't saved anything you're working on, it will be this 0. But once you saved it, it will change. Yes, it will turn to an X. So ensure that you are saving as you go. So let's come back to our PDF. The first thing we are going to talk about is where's the PDF? Where's the PDF? We're going to talk about, yes, text structuring. What that just means is that how we want our text to look like in simple terms. So let's come here, and everything we want to show inside this place must be inside this body tag. This is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. You can see it. The opening tag starts like this, less than sign, the name, closing tag, then this. So these two make up a pair. So anything you want to show in your web page will be inside the body here. So let's just type something inside this body. I'll type, this is my first web page. We've not saved it yet, so I'll come to file and I'm going to save. I'm going to check it in home, and I'll refresh it. Voila, this is my first page. So pending for the next video, just make sure you type some other things about yourself. Just type some other things. My name is this, my name is that. So in the next video we'll go into formatting proper. I don't want this video to shoot too much into time, so already we still have time. Let's continue. So let's come back here, and now Sublime, let's type something else again. I'll type I am a web developer, and I'll save it. So when I save it, you will see that I want to start using some of these tags here. So let's use this I tags, this I tag, and you see what it will do. So I'll come back here, and I told you it has opening tag I and closing tag. Let's put it here, less than sign, yes, I, yes. Come to file, go to save, come to go, and refresh. What do you notice? We started formatting our text. This is this is in italics form. Yes, let's do some other thing. Let's come here, let's try another one. Yes, let's try bold. B, come after here and close it. Come to file here, and I'll go to save, and I'll come here and I'll refresh it. You will notice that this is bolding already. This is already bolding. So that's just that about that. So you can try out some other ones here. We have what are the other ones we have? We have emphasize, we have strong, we have so many other ones. So let's just try that out. You can try those ones out. We'll try it subsequently, but I just want us to look at something else before we stop the video. There's something we call header tags. So, and this is how we write them. So I can have this is to explain the header tags. So I'm going to come to file and I'm going to go to save. I'm going to come to my Chrome and I'm going to refresh it. see that okay, it tells you that this explains header tag. Nothing still shows here. It's just the normal one like these other ones. So what I'll do is that I'll come to my sublime text. I'm going to put this now. I'm going to do H1. I'll close it. And I'll come here and I'll do H1. I'm coming to file and I'm going to go to save. Now if I come back here, I'm going to refresh this and we'll notice that this happens. So what that means is everything is like a normal text until we use different HTML tags to format it. So I'm going to use another one here. I'm going to do H2. I'm going to save this file. I'm going to come to volcano. Let's close this file. I'm going to come to save. I'm going to come here and I'm going to refresh it. It's smaller. So let's select all of this, copy and paste it, paste, 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 paste. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So H1. You have H2. You have H3. Now we have H4. We have H5. And finally, we have H6. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to save. Come back to my Chrome and I'm going to refresh it. Yes. So from all of this that we've done, you can just understand that these texts are literally the same thing. This is to explain the header, but the opening tag and closing tag you used to format your text will determine how it will be displayed on your web page. So that's a little bit of intro into text formatting. In the next video we'll be doing some other things and we'll be touching more on text formatting. 10 minutes in a way. I don't want this to shoot. Alright.